Hi, my name is Eli and this is Tech Talk. Today I'm going to show you how to install the Google Dictionary extension on Google Chrome. Now what I need you to do is come down here to the bottom left hand corner and just type and search up Google Chrome. Then from there what I want you to do is to grab the URL I have in the description down below and paste it into your search bar. Enter. Now what I want you to do is right here at the search bar where it says search the store, to click there, and I want you to search up Google Dictionary. Enter. And then from there I want you to click on the second extension, the one that's offered by Google. Then from there I want you to click on this blue button that says add to Chrome, and a box will pop up asking you if you want to add the extension. All you have to do is click add extension, and then it'll install it onto Google Chrome. Now if you have any questions about what we talked about today, make sure to leave them down in the comment section below and I'll be sure to get back to you as fast as I can. This has been Eli from Tech Talk. See you next time.